Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn English through a moral story. So listen carefully, enjoy the story, and learn new English words with me. Our story is called The Noisy Parrot and the Quiet Owl. Let's begin. Part 1. The Noisy Parrot. Once upon a time, in a green jungle, there lived a parrot. This parrot was very colorful, very beautiful, but also very noisy. The parrot talked all the time. He talked in the morning, he talked in the afternoon, he talked in the evening, he even talked at night. English word, noisy. Noisy means making a lot of sound. The parrot loved his own voice. He thought, I am smart because I talk a lot. The quiet owl. In the same jungle, there lived an owl. The owl was very quiet. He did not talk much. He listened more. He watched carefully. Animals respected the owl because he spoke only when needed. The parrot makes fun. One day, the parrot saw the owl sitting silently on a tree. The parrot laughed and said, Hey, owl, why are you always quiet? Are you afraid to talk? Talking makes you smart, you know. The owl smiled and said nothing. Talking too much does not mean you are wise. But the parrot did not understand. Danger in the jungle. One evening, some hunters entered the jungle. They were looking for birds. The jungle became very quiet. Suddenly, the parrot started shouting, Hello, I am here. Look at me. The owl whispered, Parrot, please be quiet. Danger is near. But the parrot laughed. I am not scared. I love to talk. The lesson. Because of the loud noise, the hunters heard the parrot. They ran toward the sound. The owl flew away quietly, but the parrot was caught. Later, the owl said softly, Silence can save you. Wise people speak less and think more. Ending. The parrot finally understood his mistake. He said, I talked too much and did not listen. From that day on, the parrot learned to speak wisely.